And on today's episode, we're going to be talking about Masternode investing with SmartCash. Now, if you are new to the channel, I recommend going and hitting subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, let's go ahead and dive in. So, SmartCash is one Masternode that I'm really intrigued by, or really interested. Main reason being, if we go over to masternodes.online and sort the masternodes from highest to lowest, you can see that SmartCash has the most nodes in the world for a masternode. As you can see, there's 12,321 masternodes running at the time of making this video. And then the one below that is nearly half that, and that's Sibcoin with 7,000. So 12,000 nodes is a lot, and this is why I'm interested in SmartCash and wanted to take a look at it. And I just thought I would record it while I do so. So let's go back over to the website. I'm just going to take a little look through the website and see what's going on. So Smart Hive, incentivized decentralized community. SmartCash is pursuing a very ambitious development schedule and is constantly improving. Do you have a talent that could help? Join us on our community Discord. Blah blah blah. So let's scroll down a little bit. What is SmartCash? SmartCash is a community governance, cooperation and growth focused blockchain based currency and a decentralized economy. Smart Hive. We strive to allow the community to control the fate of the coin, the governance, the budget, usage, and encourage community development. Then we got Smart Rewards. Smart Rewards are a price stabilization mechanism and a way to encourage long-term holding. So instant pay. In order to provide a quality merchant experience, having instant transactions is a must. Therefore, say hello to InstaPay. So what we got here, community-driven growth and funding. So considering this is supposed to be all about the community, we're going to take a little look at in a minute at their Discord, their Telegram and their Twitter to actually see how big this community is. So the SmartCash mining concept. SmartCash mining prevents mining decentralization and stimulate network growth. Every computer can be used as a mining device while still allowing that computer to be used for various other tasks. ASICs have yet to be created for the KeyCack mining algorithm, and it's probably safe to assume that no ASICs will be created for quite some time, until SmartCash reaches a considerable market cap. Okay, so what sets SmartCash apart? So it's fast. Well, every cryptocurrency masternode is fast, so that doesn't really set them apart now, does it? So we work daily to expand the offerings of SmartCash from new mobile wallets to exchanges and community frameworks. Instant Pay is just the tip of the iceberg. Inclusive, the entire foundation of SmartCash is based upon community adoption, growth and inclusion. Everyone is a SmartCash team member. So it does seem like they are trying to push this community. So join the SmartCash community. We'll take a look at some of that in a minute. The SmartCash 2018 roadmap. Invisible addresses. So again, it's going to be semi-privacy coin, which most of these Masternode coins are. Smart Card. Pay with SmartCash with a physical card that safely encrypts and stores your private key. What? Pay with SmartCash with a physical card that safely encrypts and stores your private key. There is no third-party payment processor to censor or reverse transactions. See, I'd love to actually see if they get this done and see if that smart card comes out, because that's really interesting. Electrum wallet. Native mobile wallet with multi-currency trading ability. So they're going to have a smart card. They're trying to have their own little exchange. They got their instant pay, SmartNode starting from web wallet. So you'll be able to have a Masternode from the web wallet. Core upgrades for syncing faster. Adaptive blocks. Blocks will increase in size based on the average block size in order to enable the maximum transactions per second. Upgraded Explorer, 24-hour support center. The SmartCash support team is ramping up to around-the-clock support center to support merchants. Oh, if this is community-driven, then wouldn't the support center also have to be the community? Okay, so far with this Masternode, there's nothing exciting that stands out at me. So I can't really understand why there's 12,000 nodes online. So, projects, Smarty Shop. Smarty Shop. I don't know if you're from the UK, you know what a Smarty is. It's sweets. Smarty Shop. Smart Stats, Discover Smart, Smart Nodes, Smart Rewards, SmartNode Monitor Bot, SmartNode Monitor. So straight out the gate, it seems like they're trying to do far too much. I'd actually like to dig in deeper with this and see what they've actually accomplished so far. So you've got your wallets, you've got your Windows, your Apple, your Mac, your Linux, your Android, your iOS, your web wallet, paper wallet, brain wallet, okay. And the exchanges. It's actually on quite a few exchanges now, not many of the big ones. So let's take a look at the community. Let's have a look at Twitter. Just open my little drink. So straight away, that's 12,000 followers on Twitter. How active are they? 28th of May, we're now on the 30th. 27th of May. 28th. 26th. We're growing stronger by the day. SmartCash, smart. So their Twitter is pretty active and they have quite a lot of followers, so that's a good sign. Their Telegram, 1,758. I thought that would actually be higher than that. And what about their Discord? So over 12,000 members in their Discord. So their community is actually growing, which it should be if this is a community-driven coin or project. So their Discord's pretty big. So another thing I like to do is go over to SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb gives you stats about a website. All you do is plug in the URL, the domain name up here, and it'll give you stats. But as you can see, currently SmartCash, the site, is ranked at 795th place in the States, and just a little over that for worldwide ranking. But as you can see, their traffic is down for the month by 10%. They've had 338,000 visits this month to their website. And most of that comes from the States. So 20% from the United States. That's interesting. 16% from Brazil. And only 4% from the UK. And most of it is actually direct. So it's just mostly people typing in smartcash.cc. Any referrals from most of the coin market cap? Masternode.online, not surprised. So the website gets quite a lot of traffic. So it is fairly popular. But I still can't understand why there's 12,000 nodes. Let's take a look at Masternode.online and see the stats for the Masternode. So, one Masternode is going to cost you $800, which is 0.1 BTC, roughly. Let's take a look at the chart. We had a massive run up there to 20 cents, and then it dropped all the way down. What are we at now? 8 cents. So one Masternode is going to cost you 800. You're going to have 10,000 smart locked up. There's 12,000 Masternodes, and the return on investment is 537 days. What's that? nearly 2 years, year and a half. See, I just can't understand why there's so many masternodes. But anyway, volume is 172 million, market cap is 79 million. If we scroll up, one masternode, so if you invest $800 into one masternode or 0.1 BTC, then that will get you $1.49 a day, which is 18 smart. Now remember, this price changes all the time. The more masternodes there are, then your payments do get decreased, and it all depends on how much one smart actually is. And we can see they're 8 cents at the minute. So if that jumped up to 20 cents again, you're looking at about $3 per day. So that's actually what happened? That's actually $10 a week, $44 a month. Do you know what? That's still pretty good. Putting in $800 and getting $44 a month. So you can trade on CryptoBridge, Coin Exchange, Ship BTC, and Stocks.exchange. So yeah, I'm still shocked why there's 12,000 masternodes online. So if you currently have a SmartCash masternode, then please leave a comment down below and tell me how it's going and why you chose to get a SmartCash masternode. Now if we go over to CoinMarketCap, we can see that it's actually ranked 147th. Again, the stats, there's 5 billion smart max supply, so that's quite high. I couldn't really see this going to $1, $2, $5 anytime soon. Let's actually see what the all-time high was. So let's scroll down a little bit. Let's just get that. So the all-time high, get that, was $3. So that would have been on the last bull run in January. $3. Wow, that was overvalued. But as we all know, well, most of us, every time quite a big bull run happens, most coins tend to see their all-time highs and exceed it. So that, I can't even work out the stats on that. If one smart went to $3 and you're still getting 18 a day, 18 smart, $3 times 18. So that would take you up to $54 a day if SmartCash hit $3 again. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, most of the time, if I want to invest into a masternode, if I invest into a masternode, it's got to have a USP. That's a unique selling point, because otherwise all these masternodes are exactly the same. So, for example, apart from Dash, Pivx, Zcoin, because they're like the top dogs, but with Deviant Coin, I've done a kind of a review on that in the past. If you're interested, go through. I'll link it up here in the right hand corner. Check it out. But it's like Gin, Gin, which is just here. They have their one-step masternode setup, which is crazy, and like Zap, that's a pollen, which is trying to do exactly the same thing, which is they have unique selling points. I don't really see that with SmartCash, but maybe I'm not digging far enough. Who knows? Let me know if you know. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.